Great, as we can see, I was able to predict the price movement again. I can't believe you can make that much money. No way it's real, it's all nonsense. You won't believe how many times I've heard things like that when I tell people I'm a professional trader. And yet, most of them haven't even dared to try, even though we can start with the smallest amounts, even just 10 bucks. So, today I'm going to show you how to turn 10 bucks into over $3,500. Watch this video to the end and you'll learn all the details about the easiest, most profitable and the safest method to make money in trading. So today I'll use the Bollinger Bands indicator with its default settings and the RSI indicator. I'll open all today's trades on a 1 minute time frame and the transaction time is also 1 minute. And today I decided to start with 10 bucks. So let's add currency pairs. I'll choose the one with the highest payout percentage so that we can increase my balance faster. And let's add another currency pair and it will be enough. Currency pairs have been added. Let's move on to the very first one. I see an uptrend on this currency pair. And as we can see, the candlesticks are above the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, so my first trade will be up. Great, my first profit. And as we can see here, the price is also at the support level for the opt-in time. When this level is reached, the price reverses. Also, the candle pushed off the middle line of the Bollinger Bands, so my upward trade was here. And now I want to move on to the next currency pair. And here we see an uptrend. That should definitely be a correction after such a bullish move. And as we can see, the candle touched one of the key levels of 126 and 400 bucks. The RSI is at 70 and this tells us that the price may turn around right now. Yes, 33 bucks, wow! And now I'm revealing the easiest, super profitable and safest method to make money in trading. Come join my Telegram channel where you can follow my trades absolutely for free. I'll walk you through step by step how to trade binary options. I'll show you how to use Quotex down to the tiniest detail, even demonstrating which button to press on the platform. I'm here to support every participant every day. That means you can expect to get the hang of trading in just a couple of days and start earning money even if you're starting from scratch. Sure, trading strategies, signals and indicators might seem complicated to some, but trust me, it's actually super simple and I'll personally help you with it. All you need to do is follow my trades and you'll be able to achieve consistent results just like me. I'm more than happy to share my experience with you all. I can't wait to dive into the world of trading with you and help you. And now let's go back to the trading session. On this currency pair, we see that the candle has reached the upper Bollinger line, so I changed my investments and open a trade down. Great, I'm in profit. And as we can see here, the price reached the resistance level and began a downward movement, and I want to move on to the next currency pair. What do we see here? There's a downtrend here, all levels are broken. Let's add another currency pair. Let it be New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. Okay, there's an uptrend on this currency pair, and now the price has reached one of the key levels, and I think that now the price will begin to decline. Great! My balance is already over 100 bucks, and well, as you can see, the price touched the level again and began to push up. Also, according to the RSI indicator, we see that the price has reached the 70 mark and has begun to move down. Okay, let's move on to the first currency pair. Here we'll also see an uptrend. and the price is at the upper line of the Bollinger Bands indicator and at the level, so I think there'll be slight downward correction now. Super! My balance is already $200. I like to use this combination of indicators that show really good entry points. And what are your favorite indicators? Share it in the comments. And let's move on to the next currency pair. I see good entry point here, so I immediately change the investment and open a trade up. Great, I'm back in profit. As you can see, the price has gone up, and do you know why? Because we had a signal, the price reached the support level and is now continuing to move up. That's why I opened a position here, and I was right. So let's move on, and we move on to the next currency pair. What's going on with the United States dollar and Pakistan rupee? Let's take a look, and it's a pretty nice volatile market here. I like that the price is in this corridor, and here I'd like to increase my investment to $350 and open a trade. Great! My balance is getting bigger and bigger every time. Well, as we can see, here the price is also at the support level. According to the RSI indicator, we see that the price has touched the 30 mark and is beginning its reversal. And now I want to add another currency pair. Let it be British pounds and Australian dollar. It has a good payout percentage, and here we see an uptrend. Well, you can also see that the price is now at the resistance level, so my trade will be down here with $700. Great, you see the price has dropped, and because there were small price movements when the price rebounded from the upper Bollinger Bands line and from the support level, and it was amazing. When you've been doing what you love for over 4 years in trading and have been trading binary options for a while, there comes a point when you don't need to prove anything to anyone, especially if you're making over $1 million a year, right? On this channel, I share the most effective binary options trading strategies with everyone. I reveal the best life hacks that can bring you daily earnings of $5,000 to $10,000, even if you're a complete beginner. I'm building a massive community of traders who are improving their well-being. Check out my Telegram channel. There you can trade using my signals for free and earn just as much as I do. The link to the channel is in the description below this video. Let's get rich together and make our dreams come true. And now I want to switch to the euro-dollar currency pair. And here we see a downtrend. We can also notice that the price is at the support level, which is why I want to invest $1,000 here. Another great deal. So today I'm really lucky. Also, according to the RSI indicator, as you see, there's another signal that the price will go up. And let's mark the level of support so that everyone understands. And look, my balance is already $2,000. But of course, we want more money. This is a strategy for beginners, and I think that if you're a beginner, then it will be surprisingly pleasant for you. But I'd like to earn even more because my financial goals are much broader. My goal is about $4,000, so let's check out the first currency pair, United States dollar and Brazilian real. Well, in general, this is a local uptrend, and if we draw this imaginary line of our uptrend, then we'll see that the price is just meeting this level. So I open another position with $1,000, and we see that I know in advance what payments I will receive. Great, I'm in profit. And we also see that the RSI indicator shows that the price will rise in the near future since it has just pushed off from the 30 mark. Also, here you can note that the level that the price has already reached twice and started its reversal. And let's move on to the next currency pair. And here we see that the uptrend continues. You may also notice that the candle has touched the lower Bollinger Bands line, so my trade will be up here. Great, as we can see, I was able to predict the price movement again, and I also want to note here the level that the price has reached. I already have almost 4,000 bucks in my balance, and I think that will be enough today. So leave it at that. Friends, it was so nice to show you the strategy. I want you to profit from it, but if you want to make a guaranteed profit, just follow my Telegram community where I share free signals, and membership in my VIP chat is absolutely free. You just need to deposit money into your balance. So guys, that's it for today. Bye bye.